Changing your workspace name on Descript is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your workspace name easily. Step 1. Log into Descript. Open the Descript application or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access Workspace settings. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace you want to change. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or similar symbol, and click on it. Step 3. Select Workspace name. In the settings menu, find the option labeled Workspace name or something similar. Click on it to edit the current name. Step 4. Enter new name. Type in your desired new workspace name. Make sure it reflects the purpose or theme of your workspace for easy identification. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new name, look for a Save button or option at the bottom of the settings menu. Click it to confirm your changes and update your workspace name. Now you have successfully changed your workspace name on Descript. Enjoy your newly named workspace.